When it comes to fighter jets, the first thing that comes to mind is speed. When they were introduced in World War I, the purpose of these jets was to attack the enemy as fast as they can. Since then, speed is the biggest concern for developing these flying monsters. On a side note, while you are sipping a cup of coffee, these monsters might have covered 20 football fields.
Seriously?
So sip your coffee while we at the Top 10 Officials take you to our latest list of in-service fastest jets on the planet. In our list at number 10, we have F-22 Raptor, which is a true expensive benchmark of American Air Force. Its project cost was higher than the cost of Saturn V rocket that landed on Moon. With its fire-breathing engines which produces unique blue flares, it can reach up to 2.35 Mach, which is equivalent to 2750 km per hour. Moving on to number 9, we have Grumman's F-14 Tomcat, the American supersonic twin-engine, twin-tail fighter jet. It goes up to 2.34 Mach, which is approximately 2800 km per hour. To attain such speed, it has a variable wing-sweeping mechanism. With this high capabilities, it can even challenge MiG-25 in a dogfight. Currently, this flying machine is in service with Islamic Republic of Iran. On number 8, we have a Russian MiG-23 Flogger, the only single-engine fighter jet in the list. Like Grumman's Tomcat, it has variable geometry adjusted by its speed of 2.36 Mach, which is 2900 km per hour. Due to its low cost, it is widely used fighter jet as over 5000 units have been built since its introduction. Moving on to number 7, the super maneuverable air superiority fighter, the Russian Sukhoi Su-27 Flanker. With its design and power, it is a masterpiece of sophisticated avionics. It can reach up to 2.38 Mach, around about 2920 km per hour. It is a keystone for Chinese, Uzbek and Russian air fleet. Moving on to number 6, we have Shenyang J-15, the Flying Shark, which is a Chinese 4th generation twin-jet carrier-based fighter jet. It flies with a whopping speed of 2.4 Mach, approximately 2950 km per hour. No surprises on the Chinese side here, but report says it was developed from Sukhoi Su-33 prototype. On number 5, we have again the Chinese Shenyang J-16, which is a twin-engine multi-role fighter jet designed and manufactured by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation on the footprints of previous aircraft J-11. It reaches up to 2.43 Mach with its afterburn, which converts to a whopping 3000 km per hour. On number 4, we have F-15 Eagle, which is an American multi-role jet that was so famous that nearly 1200 models were built by McDonnell Douglas, now owned by Boeing. Talking about speed, this mechanical bird can reach up to 2.48 Mach or 3060 km per hour. Moving towards the top 3 in our list. On number 3, we have Chengdu J-20, the Chinese response to F-22 Raptor. A single-seat, 5th generation jet well known as Mighty Dragon. On high altitudes, it can reach up to 2.5 Mach, which is 3080 kilometers per hour. The fact that this jet costs just $50 million is a big slap on $150 million Raptor. At number 2, we have the Russian mighty interceptor MiG-25 Foxbat that came in service in 1970, which was the fastest jet to enter service. With powerful afterburn thrust of 100 kN, it can reach up to the supersonic speed of 2.8 Mach, which is 3,450 kilometers per hour. Finally, at number 1, we have the fastest fighter jet on the planet, which is a pride successor of Foxbat, a Russian masterpiece, MiG-31 Foxhound. With a huge size and an unbelievable afterburn thrust of 152 kN, this jet can touch the speed of 2.85 Mach, almost 3 times the speed of sound, which is 3,520 km per hour. With this speed, it can easily blow your minds off.